Well, all right, this is the one I've been looking forward to, the X420. Let's see what we got inside here. Like I said, a dull Phillips screwdriver to break the tape. Open the box. Here we go. This is going to be fantastic. So right now, I'm running a competitor's light, and then I also run a infrared puck and a UV spectrum additional light. I'm really looking forward to being able to slowly dial up the infrared and the UV, because in the past, if you didn't do it just right, and it was always cultivar dependent, I would change it, according to cultivar, and I'd still get burned. So I'm looking forward to being able to gradually add UV and IR and see the results without having a complete on-off situation that I've had in the past. So that development with these lights has really got me excited. Oh boy, this is going to be a mess. So we're going to cut this for a second and get all these peanuts out of the way. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. X420. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay. Extension cord for mounting the driver outside of the tent. Standard cable. Pair of ratchets. And a USB cable for hooking up a remote, along with your two pieces for balance when you hook up your ratchets on each end. So let's take a look at it. Let's turn it over. I don't want to take the pieces off of it and have the LEDs lay on the actual table. Let's move the stuff to the side. Wow, it looks great. Incredible looking piece. Set it down on the foam. Very pretty. Nice. So tomorrow, we're going to undo these 4 screws on here. You can see them right here. And we're going to put the extension cable on it, this one right here, and then mount this driver outside the tent after we have the tent installed. Again, being Arizona, the excessive heat, anything you can do to keep the heat out of the tent really helps a lot. I'm really looking forward to using this light. As I stated previously, I've been using little pucks for infrared and for ultraviolet. But this light allows you to adjust your intensity for the whole light itself. And then as you go into flower, you can adjust your intensity for infrared and ultraviolet. So in the past, for me, it was either an all-on or all-off situation, and I didn't always hit it right. So sometimes I'd burn a bunch of leaves, or I didn't have a bunch of trichome development. Again, trichomes are kind of like sunscreen for wheat. So if I turned on the infrared too soon, or the ultraviolet too soon, I'd burn some stuff. It's nice having this to be able to slowly dial it up incrementally instead of an all-on or an all-off situation.